Many leaders see AI as the answer to everything, but the real difference between success and failure comes down to the human side. Today, let's talk about why people are still the secret weapon in making AI work. AI is excellent at processing huge amounts of data quickly. It can spot patterns and run calculations faster than any person, but it lacks the intuition that comes from years of experience in your specific business. Think about a big pricing decision. AI can analyze market data and past sales. A seasoned manager brings something extra, knowing a key customer's current pressure or a competitor's recent move that isn't in the data yet. That's the intuition gap. In high-stakes situations like negotiations or crisis response, humans connect the dots using context that no dataset fully captures. The best results happen when AI handles the numbers and people handle the judgment. Now consider culture as infrastructure. You can buy the most advanced AI tools, but they won't deliver if your team doesn't trust them or understand why they're being used. People need to see the purpose. They need training that actually fits their daily work. When teams feel involved and supported, they use AI effectively. When they don't, the tools sit unused or create new problems. A common example: companies that rolled out AI for customer service without preparing their teams. The technology was good, but employees resisted or worked around it. The ones who succeeded spent just as much time on change management as on the tech itself. Culture isn't soft stuff here. It's the foundation that makes the technology stick. Clear communication, realistic goals, and leaders who model the right behavior turn AI from a threat into a helpful colleague. Empathy is another area where humans stay essential. AI can draft responses or analyze sentiment, but it can't truly feel what a frustrated customer or stressed employee is going through. In scaling a business, relationships matter. Customers stay loyal when they feel understood on a human level. Employees give their best when they know their manager genuinely cares about their challenges. AI helps with scale. It can handle routine interactions and flag issues, but the moments that build real trust and loyalty still need that human touch. The best setups use AI to free up time for these important connections. The winning approach is clear. Use AI for speed and analysis. Rely on your people for intuition, trust building, and empathy. Invest in both the technology and the human elements around it. When you get this balance right, AI becomes a genuine advantage instead of just another expensive tool. Start by involving your team early and focusing on real business problems they face every day.